Go wherever the fuck you gotta go. Show me to open tomorrow.
Okay.
Fuck 3 times in that
Okay,
bitch.
listen.
And you dead.
Tell him. Get that shit. Hey, look, hey, you can put a 15-inch rim on your car.
I can't.
I'll give you 1,000.
No,
well,
quit talking. No, goddamn. I got a new motherfucker, man. Say, man, we don't fuck with them little red playing ass wheels. We got big wheels.
You gotta, what kind of phone? Yeah, put it in my pocket.
Hey, man, my rotor's bigger than that. I got 16 and a half pound rotor. I can't put no 15 inch pound on shit.
We got Scrapper in the building. They got a little Scrapper in the building. Scrapper. That's the name of that car. I guess he got a buy round or something.
But he knew he had to tell us good night. That bitch already on trackside. That weak motherfucker.
That's all left. Only 30. That's it. Oh, it's big. Big. Hey, man, you got me already.
I already see you.
Already, appreciate it, man. I got it, don't worry about it. Bringing it back.
Hey, I just came over to let you know I saw that.
I know it. Too much power. Too much. I had almost tripped and fell. They're trying to apply that power, you hear me? Too much power.
Look out!
It's too much power. Oh, you already, you
back
back?
to back, back to back. Hopeful
I ain't
pass.
wrecked the motherfucker. I wasn't even flying it.
I'm finna cut the signal on them.
Hell no.
And they wrecked it.
Hell no. It was her. No, I'm just playing. What's up with it, man? You got that Cadillac looking clean and running good, man. I'm proud of you, man. You done stepped it up like a motherfucker.
Wait till I bring that other car out.
You got another one coming?
I got 2 cars coming out.
You in the 7-0?
No, I'm not in that car. Oh, okay. I gotta go to a dinner, Nick and Sam's.
Oh, okay.
It's the other one, the 2-door. That's in the 7-0.
Yeah, the 2-door V? No.
It's coming out soon. You got another one coming?
Yep. It ain't gonna be this motherfucker though. I know that.
Oh, you ain't gonna be able to hook?
Nah, it's the wrong hook.
Man. Okay. What year is that CTSV?
17. Shit.
2007. That's clean too, man. I like it, man. I really like it. You still winning, bro? No, you still winning?
Hell yeah. No full pass on scrapper every time that bitch come up here.
He got too much juice.
He got too much over here. This ain't XRP.
All right, let's go to the back. What happened? I only got the 31. I only got the 31. Yeah. The last one. The last. Look out. We got the Stefan car coming back up.